This video is for class 6 mathematics, and we are doing circle. Right now, here you can see one circle. So a circle is a closed curve such that all the points on its circumference. Now the term circumference here is actually the boundary of this circle, the bound this part of the circle. Right now are equidistant. That means if you put any point here, right, they are at equal distance, okay, from a fixed point inside it. Suppose I take one fixed point here, right, that is the center of the circle, right, then they all are equidistant from this point. Right now, so you have the idea about a circle now. Now the next thing which you need to know is the radius of the circle. Right, so a line which joins the center of the circle, let the center of the circle be O, and any point on the circumference of the circle, that line let it be represented by A, and that particular line is known as radius. Now this becomes your radius. Right, so radius is a line segment, a straight line segment, right, which joins the center of the circle and any one point on the circumference of the circle. This here can also be termed as radius. So any line. Right now, the radius of a circle is the length of the line segment joining the center of the circle with any point on the circumference. Right now, then the next thing which you need to know is the diameter of the circle. Now a straight line, okay, a straight line which joins any one point on the circumference, passes through the center and again joins any one point on the other side. Right, so it is joining these 2 points. So that line segment is known as the diameter. A straight line passing through the center of a circle with both the ends on the circumference, right, of the circle is called the diameter of the circle. So this particular red line is the diameter. Right, is the diameter of the circle, this line here, okay, and this yellow line here inside the circle is the radius. Okay, so we can have any number of diameter, but it needs to pass through the center of the circle. For example, if I want to draw another diameter, this one here, if it passes through the center, so this particular line becomes the diameter of the circle. Right, our motive is to construct the circle, right, in this video. So let us do that. Let us go through this question. Draw a circle of radius 4.2 centimeter. Draw a circle of radius 4.2 centimeter. Mark its center as O. Take a point A on the circumference of the circle. Join AO and extend it till it meets point B on the circumference of the circle. Then we are supposed to measure the length of AB, right, and assign the special name to that AB. So let us try to solve this particular question. Now let us go to the small clip. So we have come to a small clip. Okay, I am taking a ruler. Okay, I am taking a ruler and compass and pencil, and I am trying to measure the length given, that is the radius given, which was 4.2 centimeter. So here is the 4.2 centimeter with the help of pencil and the compass and ruler. Right, so I hope here you can see the distance between the point here of the compass and the pencil is 4.2, sorry, this distance. Right, so after doing that, okay, we are supposed to draw a circle taking one point anywhere on your exercise book or on the paper. Prefer it at the center of the page, because that will help you to draw a complete circle. It will not go out of a page, right? So my circle is ready. Okay, and according to the question, I'm supposed to name the center as O. I'm supposed to name the center as O. So here the center's name is O. Now the second part of the question says I'm supposed to extend that particular, I'm supposed to join the center with one point on the circumference and name it as A, right? And then I have to extend that, particular line, and then join to the other part and name it as B here, this one. So I got this line here, right? Line segment, sorry, from here to here. This is my point A and this is my point B. So I hope you are understanding this. And now I'm supposed to measure this particular line segment. The line segment here, AB, okay, here needs to be measured, and it is known as the diameter of the circle. Now I need to measure this particular line with the help of this particular ruler. So while measuring, I am getting it up to 8.4 centimeter. So I should write here 8.4 centimeter. So my answer is 8.4 centimeter.